Hi, good evening all of you. Welcome to Team Civilians. Today I am going to discuss about bonds, the concept of bonds for TPBO exam for Telangana state. Then here prior going to the topic of bond, here we are first discussing about a brick. So as we all know that brick is one of the construction material. So here according to the Bureau of Indian Standards, the nominal size or the standardized size of a brick is 190 mm by 90 mm by 90 mm, and after the mortar, after considering the thickness of the mortar, here the nominal size of the brick is considered as 200 mm by 100 mm by 100 mm. Means here the thickness of the mortar joint is 10 mm. Okay. So then next, here various shapes of the brick. Here means various shapes of the brick means here where we can come across about a bat, closure, bat and closure. Means here what is meant by bat and what is meant by closure. Here bat is nothing but it is one shape of a brick. Okay. So here in this, the shape of the brick or the cut extends along the width of the standard brick is nothing but a bat. Means here the cut extends along the width of the standard brick is nothing but a bat. Here three types of bats will be there. One is a half quarter bat, beveled bat and 3/4 bat. So next one is closure. Here closure is nothing but the cut extends from one header face to the another header face. Okay, from one header face to the another header face is nothing but a closure. Here in this closure, two types of closures will be there. One is a queen closure and king closure. So in queen closure, that is means from one header face to the another header face, if cut extends means then that is called as a queen closure. And while in king closure, the cut extends from header face to the stretcher face. From header face to the stretcher face is nothing but a king closure. So next point is coin. Here coin is nothing but the exterior angle or corner of a wall is known as coin. Means here see this portion is nothing but the exterior angle or corner of a wall is known as a coin. Okay. So next one is coin header. Okay, here the coin header is nothing but the header face of the exterior angle or corner of a wall is nothing but a coin header. Okay, so this one is the coin header. So now different types of bonds. Different types of bonds. So here in this different types of bonds, first one is stretcher bond. See here, what is meant by a stretcher? Stretcher means the longitudinal length of the brick or the lengthwise dimension of the brick is nothing but a stretcher. Okay, means here stretcher bond means here we are arranging the bricks in a stretcher course only. Here course means laying of brick in one line. Course means here laying of bricks in one line. Here stretcher bond means we are arranging the bricks along the length in a course. Okay. See, this is the animated diagram of the stretcher bond. Means here in this animated diagram the face of the brick is all arranged with all the stretcher faces. So next one is header bond. So in this bond we are arranging the bricks in with headers only. So here, in order to avoid vertical means alignment of the brick with only headers, we are introducing 3 by 4 bats. We are introducing 3 by 4 bats. Means here, see this is the 3 by 4 bat for avoiding vertical alignment or same alignment of headers. Okay. So English bond. Here in this English bond, the brick arrangement will be means one course of structures will be arranged and alternatively header courses will be arranged. So in order to avoid the vertical means alignment of the vertical joints, here in header course, after one header a queen closure will be placed to avoid the vertical joints. Okay, this portion is the placing of the queen closure to avoid the vertical alignment or to avoid the same alignment of the stretcher and header courses. Flemish bond. So here in this Flemish bond, the brick arrangement will be with alternate headers and stretchers. Means here if you arrange a header and alternately we are arranging a stretcher. Okay, like that means header stretcher will be arranged.